Good morning, all. This is Kathy from KathysForex.com. Um, Actually, lots of stuff happened since London session closed yesterday. After the close, um, the market was kind of slow, going kind of sideways in U.S. session, and then in right after the New Zealand market opened up, we saw some action. So I entered bunch of trades because of the actions I saw in the chart that they were showing bunch of opportunities. So I got into, let's see, what did I get into? I got into AUD CAD, which I got 50 pips, 40 pips there. It already got the profit. I got in CAD CHF right here. Let me get rid of this. CAD CHF. This was another one. Right now, this is about 23 pips in profit. I'm heading for 40 pips. Looking for 40 pips profit on this. I also got to Euro CHF. On this one also I am, let's see how much pips already. I'm 35 pips in profit, another 5 pips. This will close. I got into USD yen. I'm in profit right now on this one as well. 22 pips. GBP CHF. I got into these pips. It kind of went against me, but it was just a basic retracement. Now it's coming back. Let's see what else. USD CHF, I'm in profit about 24 pips on this one. AUD CAD already took profit on that. And this. Okay. Now let's talk about a couple trades from yesterday that overnight between Hong Kong session and US session, they went the wrong way and they hit the stop loss. First one was New Zealand. Hold on one second. Let me put this here first. Okay. Opportunities coming up on New Zealand dollar. Let's see if it breaks this level right here, and then we'll talk about it. One of them was New Zealand dollar. I had entered somewhere here. Let me see if I can see it. Hold on one second. Let me see. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar. There it is. My entry was 64.98. So I had entered 64.98. Somewhere here. And my stop loss was 65.27. Right here. And that's just something that I always talk about, stop hunters from the platform that you are with. But I had to set the stop loss in a very, very reasonable place because I wasn't up to monitor it. So I didn't want to go all the way up here and have 130 pips stop for something that I was looking for 40 pips. So 20 pips was the right way to do it. Actually, it was more than 20 pips. It was about 30 pips. So that was one. It didn't turn up to be, I took a loss on that. The other loss I took was pound dollar. Pound dollar right here. Pound dollar, my entry was on 129.26. 29.26 right here. And the reason for my entry on this pair was because we were of a triangle right here, and the triangle pretty much have to have 3 touches, 3 touch to each side of the bar. So this would be 1. You can consider this 1, but we didn't have 3. So we have to have 3 for this to break out. Usually when that doesn't happen, the breakout is not really a breakout, it's kind of like a fake out. So that was 1. And my loss on that was about 46 pips. NZD CAD was the one that really took tons of pips out of me. NZD CAD right here, this is the one. My first entry was here. My first entry was here. And my second entry was here. And I got stopped out here. So as you can see, there wasn't much I could have done. Anyway, this 3-4 trades took a bunch of pips out of me, but it's all right because I have a bunch of pips coming in as we speak. let's get rid of all the ones that we don't need. AUD USD. Okay, this is breaking through this. I'm gonna enter a trade on this, and I'm gonna go for actually, let's see, hold on, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think this is okay. 12. Yeah, this is okay. Our stop loss, we're gonna be right up here. Okay, so let's see if I can get some of my loss from uh, London, Hong Kong session back. All right, let's take a look at what else is going on and see what opportunities we have today that we can get some dough on. Let me put this here. Okay, and let's do auto arrange for this to come in. Okay, right now it looked like a bunch of stuff is gonna get paid. Okay, so actually maybe I should move it to have more room to work with. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so let's start from top and we move down from there. AUD CAD, I already have entered on this couple times, both time got bunch of pips on this. Daily chart, it shows exhaustion on this pair. H4, it shows a pullback. We had a pin bar fake out after that. Looked like a good opportunity. Let's see, hold on. Actually, I need to set up another Fibonacci channel here. Let me do this very quickly. Okay, this is a good trick to be able to, sorry, I'm thinking and I'm working and talking at the same time. This is a very good way to have risk reward calculated immediately, so you don't have to keep thinking how many pips for this, how many pips for that. Let me set up the color so I can see it. This is don't like that color. Let's do green is fine. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna set we're gonna set our profit 1.5, 1.5. I'm gonna add another one for 200 and another one for 300. Why not? Let's do another one for 4. What are we gonna lose? Okay, and I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna add 0 as well. Can't see the green, so let's fix that color. Okay, now we are having problem with color. Oh, this should do. Okay. All right, let's see if I got this right. So let's say your entry is here, right? So this would be on your entry, right? And this would be your stop. Okay, hold on. Okay. So let's say the entry is right here. And let's say you decide to have your stop down here. So this is your entry, and this is your, hold on, what am I doing? This is your stop, and this is your entry. There you go. So here we go. We got 87, 87, 130, and so forth. So we got it. Okay, so let's see if we can save this. Okay, this is good. All right, I like that. Can we make the colors a little more? Yeah, there we go. That's better. Okay, now, so if I want to enter this trade, my stop should be above this area, about 20 pips. Let's make it 25 pips. So 43, 68. Okay, so let's go back to, so my entry would be here. This is an entry, right? Okay, so this is my entry. Let's see what would we have. All right, so this would go to our stop. Hold on, I guess I haven't had enough coffee this morning. Hold on a second, something is wrong. Okay, I can remember. Sorry, I can remember. So just keep this as what it is. I will look in my papers and see what did I do wrong. That should have worked, but I guess not. What happened to GBP CHF? Nothing, it's just moving along. Okay, so all right, so let's see. Now I'm keep thinking about that. Okay, so we entered Aussie USD, and we are hoping to take profit in about 20 pips. That is most realistic area here, which is 61.8 Fibonacci level. Uh, uh, I'm going to go for 50 Fibonacci. It seems like a very good place. Okay, so let's talk more. AUD CAD, we talk about this, having a good opportunity right here. Look like a good place for entry. However, on an hourly, we have a pennant going on here. As you can see, this pennant is pretty much one of those patterns that it determine the price going to go up or it's going to go down, because the price kind of narrows down in one area and it narrows down. It doesn't go up or it doesn't go down. is in one zone between, let's say, between 20 and 30, it goes 21 to 29, 22 to 28, 23 to 27, and so forth. So it's one of those patterns that it can go either or. With looking at the longer time frame, like 4 hours and daily, we can see that this pattern, sorry, this pattern has overbought, and there's a good opportunity, goes down. Remind you that I took a bunch of profit from this yesterday. So I just added RSI to this, just compare the two escalator. So let's do this. Let's do sell on this. I'm going to try this one more time. Let's see. Okay, I think I got it. I just numbered it wrong. 47, 23, 47, 94. Okay, this is correct. Okay, so we got it. So we place our stop loss. 61 pips. And actually, hold on one second. Let me see where I'm standing with Fibonacci level. Okay, with Fibonacci level, one to one, look at this. This is the zone that the price really hanged out a lot here. So let's do right here. This looks good. Okay, this gives me a little more than 1.1, and it's a good opportunity. Okay, now that I have this, let me correct the names on this. So this would be entry, 0. This would be entry. And this would be 50%. Okay. This would be 100%. This would be 200% profit. And this would be 300% profit. And this would be stop loss. I'm gonna add one more. Profit 400%. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, got it. Got the numbers wrong once again. Okay, so we want this at 200%, and we want actually, hold on, let's cancel this. I think this is, I think I realized what I did wrong. Hold on. Okay, so let's go back here. This is our entry. Okay, stop loss goes here. Where is my entry? All right, let's see. Okay, stop loss. Okay, I'm still, all right, I'm gonna figure it out. No worries. Okay, so we got into 80 cat. We got a risk of 61 pips, and we need 1 to 1. So looks like this is the right place. That's a, let's see what we got. Hold on 1 second.